ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? My name is Beth and we are the Moriongis. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much for subscribing and thank you so much for always consuming our content. So on today's video, we are going to make something yenye najua hamjatengeneza. Nimeshaonyesha the ingredients, so I'm going to show you how to make what do we call it? Let's call it a sausage stew or a sausage paste. It's a stew that you're going to eat with spaghetti. It a slap. So stick around so that you can see to the end. Are you ready? We are ready. Videos back to back. So thank you so much for subscribing and thank you so much for always commenting and liking our videos. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to deep fry our sausages. are ready with the preparations, let's start cooking. So I want you to taste. Tuambie how our.
So what is this?
That is mango, banana, watermelon, and pineapple. Huh? Pineapple, orange.
Okay. So what do we have here?
Sausage, chicken flavor. Sausage. Some Maunda pastes. Then we have salad here. Purple cabbage. What do we call? Ile ingine? Remind me.
Some salad. Good. Let me test the juice.
Some salad. Salad is nice. What about this? The sausage
I'll
paste.
come back to this again.
Okay.
Now taste the juice and see if you did it pineapple or orange.
Yeah, taste.
Oh, banana, babe.
Banana. There's banana.
More of it. This is too sweet.
Too sweet.
When it's too sweet, it means there's more bananas in it. So let me dig in. Chicken flavor is good. It didn't overspice. Even the sausages themselves
Are nice.
are less spiced.
The sausages.
These are the Kenchik chicken sausages. These are good when you make a stew, a paste with them. So this tastes good.
It's nice.
So you can eat this with something else.
We want to eat
spaghetti,
with
some
spaghetti.
rice.
For us, we want to eat with spaghetti. So you're not doing carbs.
On a carbs-free diet. You can feel the infusion. So black pepper kidogo.
It's nice, baby.
So if you're chilling, if you put some chili, kidogo too, it will have that basty kind of taste. The only thing you need to be careful about is salt, yes. Because if you salt them, they will lose their natural taste if you over salt them. But if you do very little salt, a heavier paste, you need to do a heavier paste. It's too light. Do a heavy paste. You can use honey and the soy sauce to thicken
Dark
the
soy
paste.
sauce?
Yes, to thicken the paste, and then I'll throw them in a very thick kind of paste. This will be very nice. Food is not good.
Eh?
No one is speaking.
The food is not good.
Me, I feel it's tastier. Especially these ones. They are so spicy and I love them.
Interesting. What do you think about the sauce?
Clear.
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 Clear. What is clear?
It's nice.
Clear is nice. Oh,
Yeah.
so it's nice.
Very nice.
Rate me out of 10.
8.
Rusty?
9.
Hey, babe.
A 6. You can do better. I know just a few things that needed to change, but you can do better. So I give you a 6 so that when we improve on those 2-3 things, you can get an 8 next time.
Yeah, so guys, that was it. Thank you so much for sticking around. See you in the next video.
Very fun.
Yes. Bye bye.